Matthew chapter 7, 1 through 6. Can insecurity lead to hypocrisy? A saying, do not judge, so you won't be judged. For you will be judged by the same standard in which you judge others. You will be measured by the same measure you use with others. Why do you look at the splinter in your brother's eyes when you have a beam in your own eye? Though we all have a beam in our own eye. When I read this, I was reading this, I was asking myself, so is Jesus saying if you see a fault with somebody, don't address it? Is he saying if you see somebody acting in a way that's wrong, don't address it? Or what is he talking about? Then I thought about it, and then this came to my mind. It's kind of like two friends, and they're struggling with issue. One is more open to about their issue, and one is not. Specifically, what came to my mind is drinking. Imagine two people, they both have a drinking problem. One is more open about their drinking problem. Every time they always say they're trying to stop this drinking, they always just complain about this drinking problem they have. And the other person is like, man, if I ever see myself in a drinking problem, I would rather commit suicide. Man, I would never be a drunk person. I don't even drink. I would never be at a bar. That's hypocrisy. I feel like Jesus is not saying don't talk about other problem. I think Jesus is talking about the hypocrisy about people projecting their own insecurity on others. What do I mean by that? Sometimes people might be going through the same thing, but they are quickly to crucify somebody for doing that. It's kind of how some parents will go somewhere and they will be complaining about their kids, about what they're doing, and then the other parent will be like, what? My kid will never do that. My kid don't even act like that. But it's like, it's the same people sometimes that have the kid acting worse. So it's those scenarios where people have the same problem, but because somebody else is more open to sharing their problem, they view it as, what? You going through that? Man, I feel bad. But it's like they're going through the same thing. So that's how I view it.